User research has shown that when learning to cook, children often forget their food or forget to turn off appliances when they are finished cooking. This could be very dangerous and poses a threat of starting a fire. We wanted to prevent this dangerous situation and wondered if we could design a system to alert children if they have food cooking and to turn off the appliance if they don't attend to it after a certain amount of time. We developed a concept in which a loud buzzer sounds if the oven is on and the child leaves the room, and after a certain amount of time turns the oven off. We then built a low-fidelity prototype from Littlebit's components to evaluate the feasibility, desirability, and usability of the concept. The prototype consists of a power source, a temperature sensor, a roller switch, a buzzer, a timeout component, and an LED. It works by sensing if the oven is on through a temperature sensor, and if it is and the child opens the door, it triggers a roller switch that sets off a loud buzzer. A timer then starts, and when it goes off, the oven is turned off, which is signified by the LED light turning off. The prototype successfully alerts the child and prevents fire hazard by turning off when triggered. However, the trigger mechanism only works when the child opens the door, and could be improved to cover a wider range of situations where the child does not actually open the door. Based on our experience prototyping this design, the concept seems to be feasible, as it is viable to install a switch and an alarm system on a door, and it's possible to connect this system to an appliance to turn it off. Through this process, it also appears that the concept would be desirable, mostly for the parents of the child users, because this could prevent fire hazard and allow parents to let their children learn to cook by themselves. Finally, the concept's usability could be improved by also alerting parents and by accounting for situations in which the child doesn't open the door but still loses focus on the cooking task at hand. Overall, we recommend to our company that this concept be iterated on and tested further by perhaps using a motion sensor instead of just a door switch to broaden the situations that the device works in. The concept could be pushed further by designing a mobile application that would also alert parents of their child's cooking habits.